Good Lord, this is taking forever. Um, you gotta have 100 hours worth of videos. Um, so to find the area to the right, you do 1 minus the area to the left. So I'm about to look up on the calculator what this area over here is. Not, I think I said calculator. I'm gonna look up the area on the table to see what this area is. So I'm gonna go to the table and I'm gonna look up the z value 0.86. You can't use x values on the z table. I have to use 0.86. So I'm going to go look up 0.86. Need a positive 0.8 and then run over here to the 6. Let me see if I can highlight this. Let's do blue 0.8 and then there's the 6 right here. So it's this one. That's right there. So 0.851. 0.851. This is 0.0851. That's this area right here. So this area is 1 minus 0.0851. And 1 minus 0.0851. 1 minus 0.0851 is that's not right. I must have written this number down wrong. Holy smokes, I'm tired. Oh, 0.8051. Oh, Lord, help me. So this number is 0.8051. This is 0.8051. 1 minus 0.8051 is 0.1949. 0.1949. Now remember, we did not get the exact same number right here as we got right here. Why is that? Because this is a rounded off number. It's pretty close. 0.57, I mean 0.1957, 0.1949. It's because this is a round off error. If we go back and look at that number, we rounded that up from a 5, so it was 0.857. If we go back and look and change that number, it would get a little bit closer. But okay, Lord, I'm gonna do one more, and then I'm not gonna finish those. These will be extra problems you can do. So I'm going to do this last one, and I'm going to do it in a hurry. I may not use the table. So between 22 and 52. So I got to find out where 22 and 52 lie. This is the X. The trip to a shopper spends an average of 43 minutes. So mu is 43 minutes. Standard deviation is 12 minutes. So that means this number right here is 43. 43 plus 12 is 55. Plus 12 is 67. Plus 12 is 79. Minus 12 would be 31. Minus 12 would be 19. Minus 12, I think, would be 7. So these correspond to the values of 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. They want us between 22 and 52. So where's 22 going to be? Somewhere in here. 22 is going to be somewhere in here. And 52 is going to be somewhere in here. Okay, so to find the z-scores, you do 22 minus 43 divided by 12 and do the other z-score. You do 52 minus 43 divided by 12. So 22 minus 43 divided by 12. 22 minus 43 divided by 12. Oh, 22 minus 43, enter, divided by 12. Change that to a decimal. Oh my goodness, this will not work for me. 22 minus 43, enter, divided by 12. Give me a decimal, please. Negative 1.75. So this one is negative 1.75. Negative 1.75. This one right here is going to be 52 minus 43. 52 minus 43, enter, divided by 12. Give me a decimal. 0.75. 0.75. So this is 0.75. So we can see that 22 is here and 52 is here. We want this area in between here. So I'm going to do on the calculator. I'm going to do menu 652. My lower bound, or my starting point, is, if I use X values, is 22. My stopping value is 52. My mean is 43. And my standard deviation is 12. And that gives me an area of 0.7333. So the probability that X is between 22 and 52 is 0.7333. If I do the same thing using the Z values, menu 652, it starts at negative 1.75. It stops at 0.75. The mean and the standard deviation are 0 and 1. Press enter. I get the exact same answer. And I'm not going to do looking it up. You can do also more than 37. More than 37. 37 is going to be somewhere right here. 37, you can tell, is going to be somewhere right here. So you would do area to the right. Probability that X is more than 37. And this is just another example. So anyway, this is the answer. You should be able to remember, it is, if you did it on the calculator, it'd be the area to the right. No, if you did it on the Z table, it'd be the area to the right minus the area to the left. So you would look this number up, look up 0.75, look up negative 1.75, subtract those two areas, and it should equal something around very, 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 very close to 0.7333. All right, I'm done. Good luck. I'll see you Thursday. Check Blackboard for the grades to your test.